Alright guys, so these are the few products I will be using today to make this wig. My bundles are from KK Bundles and Lashes on Facebook and Instagram. I will be using one closure and 2 bundles to make this wig. So you guys, watch me do this. Okay, as you all can see, I do have my closure pinned down in the center already. I'm just going to add more pins to get it flat and secure. And then I'm literally just going to stitch it down all the way around before I add the bundles to the back and the top of the head. And I'm going to do the same method I did in my very first wig video. I will actually link that in the cards, and it will also be in the description box if you guys want to see how I get in depth with my wig instructions. I did a voiceover for this one. So yeah, I'm just pinning everything down, and then I am now stitching it all together.